Dear children, welcome to class 3. In this class, you have environmental science subject EVS, which is divided into two parts, science and social. Today in this session, we shall be doing our first lesson of science, eating habits of animals. Here we shall classify animals according to their eating habits, that is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Next we shall see what is a food chain. Lastly, we shall observe the mouth parts and eating habits of different animals. Children, all living things need food to live. Plants make their own food in their leaves. Animals cannot make their own food, so they eat either plants or other animals. Some animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Examples of some herbivores are cow, rabbit, horse, and giraffe. Animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Examples of some carnivores are lion, tiger, wolf, and dolphin. Some animals eat both plants and animals, and they are called as omnivores. Examples of omnivores are we human beings, because we eat both plant products like dals, fruits, vegetables, and we also eat chicken, we eat fish, right? So we are omnivores. Now the other examples of omnivores are bear, crow, and rats. Children, observe the pictures here. Grass is eaten by a deer and the deer is eaten by a tiger. This is called a food chain, which shows which animal eats what in nature. Now, let us observe one more example. Here, carrot is eaten by a rabbit and the rabbit is eaten by a fox. From the two examples, we observe that all food chains start with plants or the things which come from plants. And animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. We have seen that animals have different eating habits. Some eat only plants, whereas some eat only flesh. So animals have mouth parts that are suited to their eating habits. Herbivores like cow, horse, camel have sharp and broad front teeth to bite off the grass. You can see that in the picture over there. And flat back teeth to chew their food. Some animals like cow and buffalo swallow their food without chewing it. Later, they bring it back to the mouth and chew it properly. This is called chewing the cud. Carnivores like lion and tiger have 4 long, sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh, and they have flat back teeth to chew the flesh. Children, observe the pictures of snake and frog. Snakes do not chew their food. They swallow animals bigger than their own head with the help of their jaws, which open out, making their mouth very big to swallow the whole prey. Lizards and frogs also swallow their food with their long and sticky tongue. A mosquito has a sharp and hollow tube in its mouth with which it stabs and sucks out your blood in the same way we drink using a straw. A butterfly has a long and hollow tube in its mouth to suck nectar from flowers. Let's summarize what we have learned in this chapter. We now know what are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. What is the food chain and mouthparts of different animals according to their eating habits. Thank you.